Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you this look, dramatic with nude lips. Now with this look, I hate it, to be honest. It didn't come out the way that I wanted to. This wasn't intended. I was just trying to amp up the look, trying to make it look much better. Today I was planning on wearing my natural hair out, but when it was just a mess. Everything was just not going towards my plan. However, I did love how the foundation of the foundation I did love how the finish of the foundation and application came out. And if you just want to see how I created the look nonetheless, keep on watching. If you're new to this channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, join the family, turn on the post notification, and let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As I said, so we're moisturizing my face using the St. Ives, and I'm going to prime using the Fenty primer. I really been loving this primer. It's like it feels like a moisturizer on your face, but not too, like, you know, it's kind of thickish. Yeah, I really like that. So I'm going in with the LA Pro concealer, the yellow corrector, or it's yellow concealer, but yeah, I'm using that to prime. And I'm going to use this brush as a patting motion, and then I'm going to set. I set because I want the shadow to just glide on really smoothly. So we're using the Magic Palette by Juvias Place, and I'm using the Morphe brush M353 to apply this transition color, and I'm using circular motion by also holding the tip of the end of the brush. Now this is where I realized, oh my god, that purple wasn't, I needed a base, so I used this lip gloss. I put it on, and this is where the look went south, guys. I set using that purple, set the base using that purple color, and yeah, blend it out so that it isn't, oh my god, I blend it out so it doesn't have like a sharp, you know, look. And yeah, and I went ahead and clean up because, you know, and I use this ColourPop color, and it's for the shimmer and stuff, and I really like it. The application of it went on very easy, just glide right on. So we're going to put on eyeliner, and this is by Milani. And I'm getting better at this eyeliner thing, guys. I am getting better. Moving on to foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation. One pump here, and that's the job. We're blending it out, and then I do like a patted motion afterwards by holding the brush at the tip and just slightly pat. See? But yeah. So we're gonna apply concealer, and I'm using the LA Pro concealer in Taffy. Don't know why I decided to use this brush to apply, but nonetheless it worked out in my favor either way. So we're using this Real Technique brush, and we're just gonna blend it out. So I decided to try, because a lot of persons that I admire, you know, how they do their makeup and stuff, they've been using brushes instead of like beauty blender. So I say, you know what, let me try. However, it takes a really long time to blend out, and sometimes it doesn't really get you to go all the way up to your eye, you know. But I can see where it really blend out the product really well, and I like that. Now I'm just using the yellow concealer just to brighten up my eyes a bit, which it didn't really do much, but I realized these days I am not really going for like a bright under eye, and if I do want a bright under eye, I bake, which I'm going to do. So that should be the next clip. Alright, so I'm setting here with the Sasha Buttercup. I did not show it because I show it in almost all my videos, but that's what I use to set my face from the day I discovered it. Your girl didn't go back. That's it. And I set my overall face with the Laura Mercier medium translucent powder, and then I just brush off baking area, and then I went in to bronzing. How are you guys liking the look so far? I really love the application. I really love the foundation too. Oh my god, you know, I'm getting better at this blending thing when it comes to like foundation. Eyes, so here we're using the CoverGirl in Ebony bronzer. Really love this bronzer. I use it to contour, so I like to bring it down straight then blend up, you know, to fake y'all, to trick y'all that I have like a chisel cheek and all of that. Then we're going in with this blush by Black Radiant. I like that too. It doesn't go on too pigmented. It's like it give me the option to like just build it up, so I like that. Here I'm contouring my nose a little bit, and this is where I feel the look went south because I went in with that dark color underneath. Tell me guys, what do you think? Comment down below, let me know if you think that spoiled the look. But here we're gonna add some highlight in our inner cheer duct. Yeah, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like oh my god, I cannot sing. I won't even try. Brushing off that area, which is the Laura Mercier, that's where I put there, and I'm gonna use this highlighter. Guys, this highlighter will last you forever. It is so pigmented. Oh, look at that. It is so pigmented, you just want to take your time. But however, if you do clients and stuff, this is like a really good highlighter to get, because trust me, it will last forever. It's like a glittery type highlighter, but it doesn't really, let me just leave it at that. It's a nice overall highlighter to have in your kit, especially if you're MUA and stuff. So we're gonna set, and I love this setting spray. Love. All right, with the lips, guys, I do not remember what this is, but it's by ColourPop and it's a lipstick, but I use it to line. And then I'm going to go in with the Makeup Shayla new lipstick by Quickie, yes, and then I'm going to add lip gloss. In the future clip to come, you're gonna see where I try to dress up the look, like just make it the look good, because I was bringing up my natural hair, but it wasn't behaving. It was just not my day. But hey, maybe to you guys it's my day, So this is me bringing out my hair. As you can see, I try this, I try that, but I don't know, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. You've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the look, even though I've changed the lips and all of that. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always watching, and just leave a comment down below if the look came out good, because I know I said in the beginning that I don't like the look, but if you like it, just thumbs it up, comment down below, let me know, just let me know. And hey, thank you, see you again, bye.